sun is hot outside. And look, the guys are over there. As you can see, they're in the other part of the house on social media. Now, so they're over there on social media. We are waiting for the truck to come with the stone. We're supposed to have some more equipment getting delivered today. So we're just pretty much here. The sun is hot, so like I said, when it's so hot out, they won't be working on top of the roof. Sorry for the lighting. So they're not working on top of the roof right now. They were working on it earlier, as I had shown you guys. Boy, the lighting though. So that's what we're doing. We're just here waiting on the rest of the material them to come. And I guess the guys are just resting until the sun goes down. So they probably will maybe do some work later. Yeah. But for now, they're just sitting outside and on their phone on social media. That is what is up. So I'm just here myself. I'm doing some editing because I have some videos that I got other videos I have to edit for my channel, so I am currently doing that as well. And just here, just have a few stuff that I have to get done personally. And yeah, and I've been working on my other channel, so that's what I pretty much been doing. And if you are not yet subscribed to my other channel, All Things Beauties over there, and Sit Down and Chat, you can head on over to that channel as well and support your girl. So I'm just here trying to figure out what we're gonna make for dinner, but I'm not sure what we're gonna make for dinner yet. Oh, Memphis says he's gonna cook. Well, that's nice. So then that makes things a lot easier for me, so I get a break. But it is so nice outside. But boy, they said it's dry season this time of year, so I still haven't made it to the river as yet. Since it's dry seasons, I would have to go all the way, I guess, to Senti Elizabeth, I think, to go to the river. But we're just here, guys, chilling out. I haven't vlogged because I'm not really doing much, and I'm sure y'all don't want me to bore you, because I'm just sitting here just editing, like I said, and working on my other channel, and just keeping busy and doing some research as well. So that is what I am here doing, and just enjoying the breeze. If the internet would have worked out there, I would have brought the hammock and put it out and been in the hammock underneath the tree. But the internet don't pick up so far out there, which sucks. But for now, that's all I'm here doing. And oh, I got myself some peanut punch. I'm waiting for it to melt so I can drink it. Hi, Mr. Williams. Okay, well, the guys are working back a little bit. The sun is about to come back out, so I'm sure they're gonna stop working just now. Let me go show you guys where they've reached on the roof. Yes, sir. Yes. The sun just came out with a vengeance. Oh gosh. Well, we had a little bit of cloud. We had the cloud was before the sun, but now it looks like it come back out with a vengeance. Oh gosh. Come back out with a vengeance. But it's getting covered. See how high they are? They're up there tying up this steel. I came to get Mr. Williams' hat so he can work. So like this, they can kind of work and get some stuff done because the cloud is covering the sun. But once the sun comes out, like here it comes again, So when the cloud moves, it becomes harder. Where do you want me to move it? Where do you want me to move the ladder? Oh, over here? Oh, on the other side. Okay, let me show you. They can't go up any further, guys, because they tied him down. Let me come down. Here, take the hat. Ow! So we have to take a detour. So I just moved the ladder on this side of the house so we can get to that side of the house. Okay. Make sure I put this up properly. I might have a bit more. Okay. Huh? Guys, the sun is up and beaming. See, I had cleaned up this rooftop. Now I got a big hole in our house. Look at our planting farm, guys. Planting everywhere. It's our little planting farm. So, what they're doing, then tie up. This is what you call the luxury of living in the islands, or the country life. The luxury of living in the countries. You can always plant your own fruit. See, we have corn. They're coming up. Boy, they have no tarpaulin to work on there because they're on the top of the top. So, I think I'm gonna go stay up here for long. It's so hot. So, I'll go them going through and I'm tying up. You guys had seen all of this down there when we did that, and now he's doing this. And after this, when this is cast, this part is deck, you gotta go up one more story. Oh gosh. Yeah, that one looking like a dirty bus over there in his clothes. I gotta go do some laundry, go wash his work clothes. Clean clothes. So, but they're working fast. How long do you think you guys could have this done if the sun wasn't out? Today? To tie up all of it? And I think we're gonna have it tie up all by today if the sun wasn't out. I see, said the blind man. So this one loved the edge. So this probably could have been tied up today. If the sun wasn't out, they probably might have been finished already, to be honest. But the sun may give them a fight. But I am going to head down. There's the ball field over there where Mr. William goes and play ball field every Sunday. Can't see it because the mango tree is kind of in the way. It's in the way. One big nest there, and then there's another one in that tree. So, sun's smiling. So the sun is so hot. I'm literally here hiding underneath this little piece of tree so we get a little bit of shade. Oh Lord, the things that I gotta do to get you guys footage. Oh man, but like I said, I'm taking you guys through our journey. So I am out here pushing through the sun and all. But me get a little bit of shade so me can give you a little bit of clippings. So yes. And up here, actually up here look bigger than the last floor from what you guys saw. So you see? Way bigger. But them getting things done. Hey, getting it done. I said the sun they beat we bad. So I see this tree comes in very handy. And the sun they peek out again, but the cloud, hopefully the cloud will cover it. We'll have more time. So these were the things I said that they tied up yesterday, because yesterday the sun was just up and up wicked. Wicked. Alright guys, so I'm just currently here editing. It is late night. Well, it's late. It's been raining, but the guys I'm finished tying up the steel. So let me show you. Can't really show you because it's raining out there, but as you can see, the steel them come over now. So guys can't really see what is up, but all the steels are tied up. I just not to finish shower and ate dinner. I didn't even vlog dinner. What we just made, I just made some seasoned fries and fried chicken for dinner. So sorry about the lighting. That's what we had for dinner. Oh, there we go, much better. Yeah, so we just had some fried chicken and seasoned fries for dinner, and it's been raining for the last few hours. So yeah, we were just doing that, and then current went for a bit. It just not too long came back, and I just had some meat to season up. So I was pretty much just in the kitchen, like prepping the meat and stuff, seasoning it up and putting it away in the freezer. And that was pretty much it for our day. We didn't do, well, we did a lot, but it looked like we didn't do too much. Today was a very productive day. So they're finished steeling up, so you guys know what that means. So now it's plumbing work. But in order, the way we are setting up certain stuff, we have to go into town, I think tomorrow, to go look at something, because we need to know the measurements, just the way that we're setting up upstairs. So we need to figure out the measurement for that and make sure it's the right size, because we don't want to go put it somewhere and then it's not the right size. So I gotta call the electrician now. So we gotta get the electrician to come run the electrical pipe as well. So hopefully we can get a hold of him, and then we're on it again. So, and then we'll be ready to deck. So we're there. The person, well, the materials is not delivered yet. They were supposed to be delivered today, so I'm not sure when that will be. And I'm not sure if we're gonna deck next week, well, or this week sometime, but we'll see. Hopefully maybe we can get it decked by weekend, hoping. Either by weekend or next week. We'll see how it goes. So that's what we are currently here doing. But I am so grateful, guys. Like, when I sit and I look, like, if you guys look back at our first vlog when we came down here and see where we are, like where we're coming from, you guys know the amount of work. And if you've been watching our journey from we came home, like our Jamaica vlogs, from we've been down here till now, you see how much work has put into the house. And for me, I gotta commend my husband. A round of applause to him, and also a round of applause to Janai, because them two, it's just been them doing their thing, you know, and they've been working in and out. Yes, they've taken like a few days break and stuff like that, and out doing other things, helping other people on their houses and stuff, building stuff for other people, installing stuff. So, and those are just some of the things that you guys haven't even seen, the full behind the scenes of things that has been done. But definitely I got to commend them. They did a really great job. And so we also have to get the foundation done for the veranda as well. We're still deciding on the shape of the veranda, so that will be the next thing, and to get it the foundation dig. So that's another thing. And this part, they're gonna have to use the jackhammer to jack up right here for the veranda. So that is gonna be the next thing, but we're waiting on some material to come, and yeah, hopefully it all goes well. But your girl cannot complain. But I'm going to end the vlog here. Hubby just finished ate dinner, and he went to go shower. The kids them just eat them belly full, and they're here scattered on the floor doing whatever they're doing on their gadgets as usual. Generation of kids, they just live on gadgets. So so that's what they're doing. It's just gonna be a chill night tonight. We're not doing much. Probably just, well, I got some editing that I need to do, so I'm going to do that, and maybe we'll just watch a movie and just hang out as a family, you know, just spend as much time as we can with each other. So because I am mostly grateful for the times that we have and the memories that we're making together, because that's something that you can't get back. So I just want to make as many memories as possible, and you know, and I just like to say thank you for everybody that's been on the journey with us through this from day one. If you guys go back in our, what is it, our 2017 vlog, if you guys go back to those vlog, I think 2017, I think so, I think it's 2017, yeah, our 2017 Jamaica vlog, because I will actually drop the Jamaica vlog playlist here. If you guys go back to those old vlogs way back in the day, you guys will really see where this house was coming from. Because if you did not know, there was a board structure right here, and it was knocked down, and we had to dig it down. So if you guys actually go back, you guys should be able to see that structure, and just the foundation part just being lined out. So it's been a long way coming, long way coming. So but we are so grateful, you know, we are more than grateful. Like I just feel so blessed. But I think I talked y'all enough. Let me get out here. So but I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William family. And if you have not yet subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure you're subscribed to the William fam, and you turn your post notification on. So when we post a video, you guys will be the first to be notified. And yeah. Oh, my camera's going wonky on me. So sorry for that. So here is where I'm going to sign off. And I will catch you guys all in the next vlogs. Sorry for the late lighting. Stay blessed, guys.
Our fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You